Hey, yo. Right, what I've got, that 4.5, that's all I want to, I don't want to give it too much slope. If you give it 4.5, which is like stuff all, but you know it's not going backwards, and that's what I want to achieve. It's only a bees stick, people. Very, very minimal, because I don't want the bath to be on a huge slope. But I don't want water, because water's going to go down there. And I said to the owner, because he's just bought a place and it's like this, and it's a new unit, and I said to him, okay, the plumber has siliconed the front of the bath, so what happens when water gets trapped underneath the bath and it's grey water? It'll rot. God. Anyway, that's what I don't want, is grey water going off. It's got to run back down into the shower. Personally, this is the worst idea in years that I've come across a few bad ideas. This is one of them. I tried to talk him out of it, but no. So that's it. So I've got to overcome what could be a bad situation. Just build it up a little. But if it was mine, I certainly wouldn't be doing it like this. But anyway, everyone's different, and that's what you've got to sometimes realise. I wouldn't. sprinkle a little bit in there just to fill the hole.
Now what you do when you're screeding, people, you always go your shortest length. If I had a piece of timber that length, yes, I could go down that way, but I haven't, and that's the length of my 1200 level, so it's a little bit too short. So I will come that way and screed it that way. Come to about here and then drag it down. That's how you do it. So put down the water, of course. I'll bring that line is exactly where the bath goes, I think. Where's the tape? $760, that's probably the edge. I'll come out another 20 mil when I make my slope for the shower. Get my keys out of there so I don't walk on the fresh mud. Right, some glue as your slurry, and it will always stick. If you're watching my previous videos when I was stripping it out, what a joke. Oh. Bodgy Bob, the subcontractor. They don't, you don't say, not putting any slurry down. How long does it take you? 5 minutes? And what do you use? I would use $10 worth of glue to slurry my floor properly. Why do people not do it? I don't know. Don't know. There's a lot of things I don't know. That's one of them. Trying to figure people out. I call it laziness. I'm using my mud a little bit stiffer because I've got some shaping to do. Run over it a bit with your wooden float just to pretty it up.
Let's mix up some more mud in a sec. I'll come back in a couple of days' time to waterproof it. I'll turn on a fan, have it going for a couple of days or a day and a half. Dry things out nicely. Everyone asks, how long should you leave your mud before you waterproof it? Well, don't waterproof it when it's green. A little bit of common sense, it needs to be dry. Needs to be dry. It's sort of like full stop. It needs to be dry. Right, I'll just get some more water so I can mix up some more mud, and we'll laugh, and I'll come back to you shortly. This is Chriso signing off. I'll come back when I'm shaping the shower. I've got to put another square line across there. And once I've shaped that shower, it's easy peasy, just drag it out because I'll be laying that flat. My waterproof, my water stop gets done with my waterproof. I'll have one at the door going across there and one water stop going right across. It'll stop any water going out. We'll see you soon. Yo, stay tuned. I'll be back soon.